benefit of a weed seeker is you can target your low densities of weeds. The other real benefit is because you're only putting on a small volume of herbicide, you're able to use more expensive herbicides that you may not use on a broad acre scale. So I would be advising, if you're using WeedSeeker technology, that you not be applying glyphosate through it, but you look at what other alternatives are available to control these weeds that perhaps have already survived a treatment of glyphosate. By bumping up your rate of glyphosate, you in effect are changing your selection pressure with that herbicide, but you are changing it towards selecting for individuals that are able to survive a higher rate. So in the end, I suggest you'd probably still end up with glyphosate resistance, but you'd end up with a very high level of resistance. So my suggestion would be that you go to an alternative mode of action and not stick with glyphosate.
That's great, yeah. I mean, the other thing about the WeedSeeker, it is only, you can only use products at registered field rates, and so the huge rates of glyphosate is actually off-label for a start. The other thing to mention is that plants develop resistance to glyphosate in different ways, and at the moment there's 6 known different mechanisms, and some are stronger than others. And so the huge rates of glyphosate might kill some of the ones with low level resistance, so it may slow down the process a little bit, but knowing that there are multiple mechanisms, I think we will eventually get the resistance, and like you said, when you develop resistance, a very strong resistance mechanism, so they're very resistant plants.